A dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name, amen. I get video wey I want present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
Video I wanted to play for us is about 2 minutes video. Because of that video I saw from our brother Somto Okonkwo. Our brother Somto Okonkwo shared a very historic video from an eyewitness account of what happened during Biafra civil war. And I decided to caption this my broadcast. If we do not get Biafra, if we not get Biafra, now waiting we gain. Please help me and ask your neighbor. If you no get Biafra, you are a Biafran, and you do not get Biafra, what is it that you gain? What do you gain? Because it is so pathetic to see some people, some individuals that are from Biafra land. Maybe you do not have an idea of the history of what happened to our people during that 3 years genocide committed by the Zoological Republic, and some of them are still alive till today. Gowon is still alive. Obasanjo is still alive. And then now they brought an impostor, because we know that Boko Haram is dead, buried in a shallow grave in Saudi Arabia. And now they brought a mannequin, an impostor, to represent that blood-sucking demon. And they are still operating as Nigeria. And you come from Biafra, and you know what happened to your people, and you were still there listening to a vulture like Dave Omahi, listening to vultures and blood-sucking demons like Hopeless Uzodinjo, listening to them. Some of you are even collecting souvenirs from them. Hey, Chineke, what has happened to our people? Fellow Biafrans, if you do not rise up now and get on this boat, look, so many of you that are still looking for and waiting for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be free, just like that, without you doing anything, and you are folding your hands and you want your leader to be free, freed by the same people that wanted to annihilate you in 1967 to 1970. You think they will just release your leader like that without you giving them a fight? These people know nothing more than bloodletting. The only language they understand is false. And if you fold your hands and you are dilly-dallying with this leadership of IPOB that have lost completely what it takes to give freedom, that have completely compromised, and you are still waiting for them to give you orders, then you do not deserve to live. You do not deserve to leave. Tell them I told you, because this February, their clock is clicking. Their time is running out. And by the 28th of February, hey, we that are ready to take the bull by the horn, we will bid them farewell. And we'll tell them, whenever you are ready to join us, come, because we are moving ahead. We are not going to be playing hanky-panky with blood-sucking demons, people that have killed us, people that have maimed us, people that have destroyed us, reduced us to nothing, and then you are still there. You are still there, waiting for them to give you freedom. I saw this video from Somto Okonkwo. You want to share this broadcast right now? I saw this video. Let me hope I can get it out now. I don't know if there is a way. Okay, no. I don't know if there is a way I can transfer the screen. Mazi Achebe Paul is going to really lecture me on this. And some of my fellow comrades that are, acquainted with this system, they will really need to get me to see how to do these things because these things are alien to me. I am just used to getting on my Facebook directly and then I'll go. I don't know if there's a way to flip this camera. Is there a way I can flip this camera? I don't know. But if there's no way I can flip it, I will just show it to you from here like this. Hopefully you can hear it. Hold on.
One occasion at a niche, I came across
Hold on.
members of the Apostolic Church. My own experiences. Across
wait.
members of the Apostolic Church of Nisha slaughtered.
Okay.
Mr. Forsyth, you claim that what's happening in Biafra is genocide and massacre on a very large scale. What evidence do you have for this? It's mainly threefold. Partly my own eyewitness experiences. I followed the Biafran army very closely on a number of occasions. At one occasion, at Onitsha, I came across 300 members of the Apostolic Church of Nisha slaughtered by the Federal 2nd Division. Did you actually see these bodies? Yes, I helped clear them out of the road. The Biafran army was so shocked they wouldn't march past them. It took us 18 hours to clear the bodies out of the way.
Hold on. This is a European. This is a white man giving you a history of what happened in Biafra land. 300 believers, 300 apostolic believers were massacred in cold blood. He said the Biafra army were so overwhelmed that they couldn't do anything. It took 18 hours to clear the bodies. The massacre was too much. If you continue to listen, let's continue to listen to him.
Tied behind their backs and been shot at close range. On another occasion...
Wait, take it back a little bit. Okay.
The Biafran army was so shocked they wouldn't march past them. It took us 18 hours to clear the bodies out of the way.
18 hours?
And they'd all had their hands tied behind their backs and been shot at close range. On another occasion, did you count these bodies? Personally, one by one, no. The estimate was 300. I think it was probably a fairly fair estimate. They were piled as high as a man's shoulder, like logs stacked on the roadside. On another occasion, a man whom I know was a photographer working for the Biafrans took a photograph very shortly after a village had been completely wiped out. And you can see still the bodies lying.
Villages were wiped out. Villages were wiped out. Villages were wiped out. This man said that there were piles of body. He said there were piles of body. You can't believe what they did to us. 5 million people were massacred by these bloodthirsty, wicked monsters, vampires. 5 million of our brethren. 5 million of our people, your fathers and mothers were there. Your children, they were there. 5 million of them were brutally, mercilessly raptured and massacred, and then you are still there. You are still there. You don't want to stand up for what you are, where you belong, and fight for your freedom and get yourself free from this zoological republic of a kingdom. And some of you are still looking forward and waiting for 2023 election. Many of you will become body bags if you do not rise up now. Many of you listening to me right now that are still crying and saying one Nigeria. Many of you that are still collecting phones and are still waiting to collect 5,000 naira to look for one politician that you will vote for. You will all become body bags if you do not wake up now and do something for your freedom. Many of you listening to me right now, because they are not tired of killing. All they wanted was to wipe you out. All they wanted was to end you completely. And they are still determined to do it. I am telling you. And do you know why it is so painful? Our own Biafrans, our own people, are the ones now aiding them to kill their own people because of their selfish ambition. What is it about you that makes you lower your dignity, your self-esteem? What is it about you? What is it that you are looking for, my Biafran brother, my Biafran sister? What is that material thing that will make you sell your future, your destiny, and you will become part of those that want you dead? They want you dead anyway. They will give you that money you are looking for. And unfortunately, very funny of it is that the money they are giving to you, actually they got it from you, and then you are begging to have what belongs to you, and they will give it to you with the intention of killing you to take it from you eventually. And you are still there calling Mazen Namdekanu a liar. You are calling him a scammer. Somebody who has fought a good fight, somebody who has at the fate of Biafra, somebody who said that he is ready to die, somebody who has offered his father and his mother, somebody who has willingly and is even ready to give his life for this Biafra, and you are still there. And you are still there. Oh, brethren, Omo Chineke, it pains me to know that even at a time like this, when these people are getting so close to us, getting so close to completely annihilating us, what our people are busy doing is blackmailing themselves, blackmailing comrades, blackmailing their brothers that are ready to fight for freedom, their brothers that are standing on the path of truth. You ask them, what is your problem? Now, the problem of some Biafrans is no longer Fulani. Their problem is no longer the Nigeria Janjaweed army. Their problem now is Mazi Simon Ekpa. Their problem now is Raphael Chiamaka Ajere. Their problem now is Mazi Achebepo. Their problem now is Nsema. Their problem now is Biafra United. Their problem now is people that are standing against the zoo for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and they will go every length to blackmail them. You see your people. You see you people. And then you ask yourself questions. Some of us that are here in Europe, here I am in Italy, right now where I'm working. Every month I have a reasonable salary, very good enough. Every month. Anything I want in this country, I will get it. Car, house, everything, I will get it. But it is not my home. Biafra is my home. And so why is it that it is those of us that are here that are even, more fighting for this freedom? And some of you back home, I see youths gathered in a stadium, thousands of them collecting a Greek gift from a blood-sucking demon like Hopeless Uzodenjo, collecting a Greek gift. And you forgot so quickly that your people died. Millions of them, piles of them. Is a white man that is telling you the story. Is telling you that the genocide they committed, and now it is opportunity for you, like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, that we have crossed the Rubicon and there is no going back. It is either Biafra or we all die, because if you do not stand up for Biafra, you will still die. And so, knowing fully well that you will die, why not stand and fight for something that is worthwhile? What is it that you will get from Nigeria? What is it that you will get? Nigeria is depending on you to survive, and they are killing you in the process. And you, instead of you standing to be free, you are begging them to continue to keep you hostage. Hey, Chineke, Kendi Merayiha. Elendi Merayiha. They are depending on you. Their lifeline is in you. Without you, they are nothing. And that is why you must stand up and get yourself free and live a decent life that Kabiyama made you to live. Let's listen to the white man again. I still have like 6 minutes. Let's listen to him and then I will close it.
Around the market square where they were shot down. Secondly, from eyewitness sources, survivors of the massacres. And thirdly, from interrogations of federal prisoners who, when the Igbo captors have been sent out of the way, admit, quite frankly, that they are there to wipe out Igbo. That's what they admit. But what do they say then?
Hey,
What do they say?
Did you hear that? From 1967, they told them that they are there to wipe out Igbos. If it is not yet clear to you that they are out there in Biafra land to wipe out Igbos, and for you to stand up against every politician, every leader, every Igwe, every Ohaneze that are supporting these monsters, if you do not stand up against them and face them squarely, then you are all gone. Because they have told you that they are there to wipe out Igbos. They told them in 1967 that they are there to wipe out Igbos. That is their mission. Ask me, what are the armies doing in Biafra land? Is there any terrorism in Biafra land? Has Boko Haram taken over Biafra land? No. Is there anything like IGP camp in Biafra land? No. They want to force an IGP camp on you so that they will have serious and genuine motive for staying in your land. But we, up till now, we do not have IGP camp, and we must stand against them and tell them to get out of our land. And any politician that is backing them up, we will show them what we are meant of. If they could not wipe us out in 1967 to 1970, we must not allow them this time, because this is the last chance we have. If we miss it now, we are doomed forever. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu knew it. When he was being interviewed by that Fulani girl, he told her that there have so many lives have been lost. There is no going back. There's no going back. Nothing. When he was asked, is there anything that will happen for you to change your mind? He said, no. We have crossed the Rubicon. There's no going back. And so all these people that are not taking action, necessary action that will free us and liberate us from this genocidal clan of the Fulani Janjaweed and their supporters in Biafra land, all these people that are folding their hands, the DOS and all these irats that know the truth, but because of their selfish interest, they are backing up evil. All these people. We use most of us that are woke right now to deal with them. Deal with them. Deal with them. Because enough is enough. Our freedom is now or never. Because if we don't get Biafra, we lose everything. There's nothing we gain. So stop dilly-dallying, stop wasting your time, rise up, because your freedom is in your hands. It is not going to be given to you on a platter of gold. We must take our freedom, rooftop to rooftop, house to house, villages to villages. We must take our freedom because it is in our hands. They will not give it to us freely. They have a mission, and their mission is to kill you all. And if you fold your hands, they will kill you. They will kill you. The world powers, UK, United Nations, they are not going to say anything. They're not going to say anything. And that's why if there's anyone that is doing anything positive, anything that is necessary, the needful for us to be free, support them. No matter the group it is. Support whoever is doing anything. The only people you must stand up against and oppose are those that are doing nothing. Those that are doing nothing. Those that are canceling the necessary thing that we should be doing to achieve our success and our freedom. Those people are the people you should stand up against. My name is Raphael Chiamaka Jere Nwachineke. I will be back. Share this video and we must continue. I have a very important video I'm going to analyze this weekend. Very important video. God bless Maha Jehovah, that our beautiful, precious sister that is doing wonderfully well and standing for truth. Maha Jehovah, God will bless you. There's a video I must analyze, and those of you that are insulting that our precious sister, the God of heaven will answer you. The God of Biafra land will answer you, because hand join hand together, the wicked will never go unpunished. I see you.